Good evening, everybody. Just a quick position update for today. As expected, the Russell broke a little bit higher today, as did the rest of the markets. It wasn't a very impressive day for anything except for the Russell, and even that wasn't that big a deal. Uh, we came right up here, hit the backside of this trend line, and backed off a little bit. And here we sit. So if we take a look at our positions, we'll look at the bearish butterfly first. As the market came up into or nearing our adjustment point, we had a delta theta ratio issue where prior to the at point, the delta was more than 1.5 times our theta. So that triggered a roll up, and that would mean selling the 800 off and rolling it to 820. And we also exceeded 840 during the day, so I went ahead and purchased an 840 put butterfly. The new position looks like this. It is up about $139. And if the market decides it wants to continue up to 860, we'll be putting an 860 on way up in here. I don't know if that's going to happen this month, but we'll see. Hopefully, or a better scenario for us would be for us to range in this 820 to 840 range for a while. See if we can gain some of our money back here. Okay, let's take a look at the method 3 because I made an adjustment to that as well. Here is the current method 3 position for April. The as we were saying in the Sunday night or last night's update, if the market was to break 830 and it looked like it may hold that, then I was going to roll up our 770s to 790. Now, I was expecting a stronger break, and had we had a really strong break, I would have rolled both these 790s up, but this here was kind of wimpy in my opinion. In addition, Dow's only up $6. The SPX is only up $5. Russell's up 7, which isn't a big deal for the Russell. And the Nasdaq's up 20, but that's up every day, so that's nothing unusual. Considering that the weakness of this breakout, it makes me think that it may not hold. So, in keeping with that theory, instead of rolling both the 770s up to 790, I just took one of the 770s up to 790, which helped straighten out our Vega position, which is what I was more concerned about than anything else anyway. So had I done nothing, we'd be sitting here. Theta would be fairly low. Vega would be positive. The position really isn't in any trouble, but it's really not going to make any money here either. So I went ahead and at least rolled one of these up so that it brought us a little bit closer in. Should the market continue into new highs here, then the 770 will be rolled up to 790. And should it continue, or if we have a hard break in the next couple of days, maybe up over 850, we may take the 770 all the way to 810. But I want to see the market up at close to 850 before I did that. Okay, this trade is down slightly, but nothing to be concerned about, so everything's looking good. Updated with any other changes, and have a great week trading, everybody. Thank you. Good night.